Hi guys, this is Deepak from Salesforce Wiki and our today's topic is advantages of Visual Force pages. So let's learn what are different advantages of Visual Force pages and why they are used in the market. So as we know, the current market is working on lightning experience. And guys, suppose some requirement came up where we want to show some data in classic on lightning pages. So in that case we can use Visual Force because the look and feel of Visual Force pages is similar to Salesforce classic pages. So guys, let's check how this can be achieved. So here I am currently working on lightning experience, and when I navigate to Visual Force page, I'll show you. So guys, these all things are in lightning experience, and suppose I am viewing my Visual Force page. So the this data is being displayed in Visual Force page, and this page is very much similar to Salesforce classic pages. Okay, so this one is lightning experience and this is Visual Force page. So guys, our second advantage is that by using Visual Force we can show more than two columns on record page. So what is this now, guys? In Salesforce pages, on record page we can show our data in maximum two columns. Like here we can see there are two columns of data, but in case if we want to increase the number of columns to display data, this can't be achieved in Salesforce pages. So but this can be done by using our Visual Force pages. I'll show you the live demo for this. Like this video 2 is our Visual Force page. Okay, I'm clicking on preview and see currently in this section our data is being displayed into two sections. Okay, so how can we achieve more than two sections here? By here entering, by increasing the number of columns. Suppose I am increasing this number to 3. Okay, so once I save, see here we can see our data is being displayed into three different columns. So guys, this can only be done by Visual Force. This can't be achieved in Salesforce pages. Okay, so our third advantage is that we can create and edit multiple records at the same time. So by using Visual Force, this can be achieved by integrating it with Apex class. Okay, fourth advantage is by using Visual Force we can display records from multiple objects. Guys, there is one concept of controller and custom controller. Those things we will see in next further video. So I'll show you how this can be achieved. Like we can display on single page we can display records from different objects. Okay guys, our next advantage is that external libraries like AngularJS, React.js, Chart.js, jQuery, these all things can be integrated with Visual Force. Suppose there is any requirement where we want to use some of the libraries of these uh, development techniques, then we can integrate those things with Visual Force. Okay, and guys, next advantage, and it is one of the most important advantages, we can say that Visual Force follows MVC pattern for development. Now what this means is Salesforce also follows MVC pattern for development. So suppose Visual Force is the view. Okay, so by using Visual Force we can control our view UI part, and we can integrate it with Apex class so that controller part can be integrated with Visual Force. Okay, and guys, the last advantage of Visual Force is that on Visual Force preview page there is a page editor panel is available on which we can validate our changes on the fly. Guys, I will show you what this exactly means is, so this is the Visual Force preview page. Here whatever code we have written on Visual Force page, the Visual Force page UI will be displayed to us. So here on this Visual Force preview page, in the right bottom corner we have code editor panel. So guys, whatever changes we make on this code editor panel, the changes will be reflected as soon as we save the changes. Okay, so I'm making the column count as 2, and now as soon as I save this, the column will be decreased to 2. So guys, this was it for the advantages of Visual Force. Okay, So in the next lecture we will see how can we enable the development mode for Visual Force. So guys, till now, thank you. Like, subscribe and share.